Hi, welcome back to Binkerbelle's Yarning. Today's Monday, Manic Monday. Quite a bit to go over today, actually. First, a little bit of housekeeping. The Darn Good Yarns winner from Friday was announced in the Friday video. You need to contact me, please, Margaret. I'll post your photo of your winning pick. You need to give me an email, please, so that I can actually send out your package to you. So email me, binkerbellesyarning@gmail.com, with your address so that I can mail it out to you. So that's done. The Baba Bundles giveaway, that ended. Time went pretty fast. So winner is congratulations. Woo. Again, email me with your address so that I can send it out to you. It's binkerbellesyarning@gmail.com. So, yay, winners. What else? So, I have been writing a pattern for Darn Good Yarn for those that have been following me on Facebook and Instagram. It has turned into an absolute monster, believe it or not. It is being tested as I am writing the pattern, so that's fun. Show it to you here. Like I said, it's becoming an absolute monster. So we've got some crocodile stitches at the bottom there, and we've got some fans going on. It is going to be a hooded wrap, and this is the Darn Good Yarns Alp Oriental. I did a review of that on Friday as an additional Fiber Friday. So I have started the hood, as you can see. Maybe, see, ooh, look at that, started the hood. So like I said, that's currently in testing, which is always exciting. So it should be done soon, and then I'll send it off to Darn Good Yarn for approval, and it'll be available on the website. Ooh, that's exciting stuff. So tomorrow is Tutorial Tuesday, and we are going to be doing a knit square this time. Now it's not traditional, simply because I wanted to keep a consistency in the look between the crochet and the Tunisian and the knit. So for that, you will need a 7mm needle, well, pair of needles, obviously. I couldn't find them in straight needles, unfortunately, but they do have them in cabled needles. And always, and as usual, we're using a 4 worsted, and I'm working with the Pantone by Caron yarn. So you should get those things all together. Into what's new. So about a month ago, one of the girls from one of my Facebook groups got a hold of me about my logo. She absolutely loved it and asked permission if she could use it as a tattoo with some modifications. And of course, yes. I mean, I love tattoos, I love skulls, I love yarn. Pretty obvious. So let's take a look at what she did. Absolutely gorgeous, and that was done by Mike at Creative Pain Tattoos. I'll post a link to his website as well as his Instagram account. Pop in, see him. He's a beautiful artist. His work is just impeccable, as you can see. So in honor of him and Jenna's beautiful tattoo, we are going to do a giveaway. Ooh, and this is a flash giveaway. So you have 24 hours. So tomorrow in my Tutorial Tuesday video, I will announce the winner. And there's actually 3 winners. Woohoo. And you will get this beautiful thing. And that's the origami in the candy skulls. Ooh. Now, I was super lucky. This is actually on clearance at Michael's, as well as a crap ton of other yarn, including the loopy, which is the yarn that has the loops already built into it, and you just connect the loops and away you go. Or you crochet or knit with the flat parts and have the loops hang out. So it gives an interesting look to it. A bunch of loops and threads stuff is on clearance as well. So that's always the fun stuff. So 3 of these. You get this guy here, okay? and you get the hook to do it. So each of these little cakes, or lollipops I think they're called, makes 2. Right, so that one and that one. Pretty cool. And the hook to go with it. So 3 of the, oh, that's upside down. There we go. So 3 of these to go out, because they only had 3. Otherwise, I might have done more. So tomorrow, during Tutorial Tuesday, I will announce the winner. And those winners are going to have to shoot me an email with their addresses so that I can send them out as soon as possible. So that's always very, very, very exciting. Because I've been working on the Darn Good Yarns pattern, I haven't really done much else yet. I did pick up a bit of yarn for some Christmas presents that I'm probably going to be writing patterns for as well. So keep an eye out for that. And I'm writing a blanket pattern that is reminiscent, not identical, but reminiscent of the Darn Good Yarn one that I'm currently working on. So keep an eye out for that as well. Hopefully it won't take me too long to get those out. As always, my patterns will be available in Ravelry, with the exception of the Darn Good Yarn patterns. So I guess that's everything for today. Not as crazy as it has been. I will leave you with some beautiful tattoos that I found, not only through my Facebook groups, because I did put a call out to them asking to show me their tattoos, but also some beautiful ones that I found online. So some Facebook photos and some that I stole from Google, but they're all wonderful. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.